Ubersuggest is another way to get a long list of keywords. Suggest on steroids, that's exactly what it is. So if you type in your keyword here, click on Suggest, it is going to populate a huge list of potential keywords for you. So I've put in landscaping services, and this is going to break down some different ideas for me. Landscaping services Seattle, landscaping services list, landscaping services near me, Phoenix, Arizona, Arlington, Texas, Raleigh, North Carolina. So with each one, if I was targeting Seattle, for example, I could click on this keyword and give it a second. It's going to generate some other related keywords based on that one alone. I have Northeast Landscaping Services, Seattle. These other ones look like specific companies, but that's okay. So I can go through, and for all of these, whatever ones I'm interested in, I can go ahead and click through. So a lot of these are going to be around specific areas. So let's take a look at another one. Let's say I want to rank for a photography light box. I'm going to create an affiliate site. Now I have all of these ideas here that people are searching for, and I can click on each one and it will pull down a longer list. So this is going to give me an idea for titles, for posts that I can write. It can give me an idea for my domain name. It can give me an idea of what products to list on my affiliate website. And you'll see I can just keep clicking through, and it's going to generate a longer and longer list. This is going to give me hundreds of keywords that I can pull. Now that you have expanded all of the keywords you would like to use, you can scroll back to the top, click on Select All Keywords, and scroll back down, and you will see here where you can remove any keywords you do not want to copy. And when you are done, you can click on Get, and it will give you a plain text pop-up where you can simply select all and copy, and then you can paste that directly into the keyword list that you have been creating.